Today's word is intuitive. What does it mean? Where do you use it? What's intuitive thinking? Let's find out these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of vocabulary videos, we're going to look at individual words or phrases and discuss around 6 aspects: pronunciation, meaning, the primary use, using the word or phrase in a sentence, a few relevant questions, if any, and some synonyms, again, if any. Let's start. How do you pronounce this word? It's intuitive. The stress is on tu. Intuitive. Intuitive. There are 4 syllables and you stress on the second one. Intuitive. It means something based on one's feeling and not based on any conscious reasoning. Something that's easily understood, like the smartphone's intuitive interface. It's used in a general sense. Some sentences could be: the intuitive police officer could see that the man was hiding something from him. The intuitive teacher could see that the student was lying. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary. Remember, you've got to own it to use it. Merely watching this video once and passing over to another will not help you. Now let's look at one relevant question. What is intuitive thinking? Intuitive thinking is thinking with our guts, as it were. We go by our instinct. This helps us make quick decisions. And the other one is reflective thinking, when we question our first instinct and wish to evaluate other alternatives. These are not thinking with our guts, these are thinking rationally. And this delays the decision making. And let's look at some synonyms. Gut feeling, visceral, instinctive, unreflecting, innate. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.